So in the previous lecture, we have designed the canonical collection of LR0 items for the given grammar. Now I will assign the numbers. Let us say the number 0 for this number I0, I1, I2, I0, 2, I3. For this I will assign I4, I5, I6, I7, 8, and for this is I9. Okay. So after assigning this numbering to all these items, I will also assign numbering to these protections: 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, or 5, 6, and 7. Okay. So after assigning this numbering, I will draw the LR0 parsing table. Okay. So for this LR0 parsing table, I will mention the action table and go to table. So in action table we have all the terminals, and in go to we have all the variables. Okay. Now here we have 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I will assign this numbering here. Let us draw this block. So 1 or 2 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Okay. Let us numbering this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and one more that we have to add is 9. Okay. All the 9 are here. After this, one to this. So in go to we have all non-terminal. Now I will place all this. Okay. So when we have this one 0, 0 by taking E will go to I1, 0 by taking E will go to 1, and 0 by taking T will go to I2, and same for I3. I3, 0 for F is I3. Okay. So next we have I1. So I1 by taking plus will go to in shift move, that is I6. One taking I6, so shift move will be here. Okay. So in case of 2, which is this one, 2 by taking F will go to I7, 7th, and next, so this is the case of 2. Okay. 7 will be mentioned here. Okay. So next 2 by taking A, terminal A will go to I4. So this is action part. So I will have to add the reduce move. So I will add here reduce move S4, and same for S5, because same for B. And one thing is that this one is the final, because here T can be reduced to E because dot is at the rightmost side of the production. So this one we can apply the reduction operation. So in case of LR0 passing table, we will add the reduction move, or this is the final item, so we can reduce this E to T. So number to that production means we have to add the reduce move for the production. Number is 2, so I will have to add reduce move in the whole row, means R2, 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 R2 and R2. Reduce move is because of this production. This one is the final, so we can apply the reduce move here. Next we have is 3. One thing is that if I am facing a conflict in a cell, then we can say that the grammar is not LR0 grammar. Okay, so for this grammar, the grammar is not LR0, but we will check it later. Let us fill the other entries for the stage 3. So I am writing all the possible reduction and shift move and go to for the simplicity. So in case of S3 we have S8 for the star move, S8, S8 and same for R4, same for R4, 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 R4. R4 is because this one is the final item. T derives, F dot is at the last position. So I am applying the reduce move for the fourth, and the fourth is T derives F. So F we can reduce F to T. That's why I am writing here. Next possible we have R4 to R6, 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 R6 and R6. Next we have R7, 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 R7. Okay, so for the 6 we have S4 and S5. Next means 7. For fourth stage, fourth we have, in which we can reduce A to F because dot is at the rightmost side of the production. So we can reduce this A to F, and the number to that is 6th. So I will apply the reduce move in the complete row. Same for the 7th, or for this 5th stage. Here we can reduce to F, and the number to that is 7th. Okay, so I will apply the reduce move in the whole row. For the 6th, next after that we have this one. So there is a possibility of shift move. Go to table, go to for the 6th we have 9 by taking T. So this I6 by taking T will go to 9, and by taking F will go to 3. Okay, so I will mention it here. Next we have is, and there is no any final production or final item, so we will move to the next. Next here we have, this one is the final, means TF can be reduced to T, and this one number is given to third. So we can say that the reduced move to R3, R3, R3 and R3. Okay, so let us check for the shift move. Shift move is this one. Okay, so shift move for star is for 8. So I will apply the shift move here as 8. We can write it as shift move 8 R3. Okay, So next, after that we have 8. This one is also final. So we can say that F star can be reduced to F. F star can be reduced to F. So number to that production is fifth number. So I will add R5, 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 R5 and R5. Okay. So this is complete. Next we have is this one. This one also the final item because dot is at the rightmost side of the production. So this one can be reduced to E. Okay. So number to that production is R1, 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 and one more. It will, by taking F, will go to 7. So I will write it in go to table, go to entries, and by for A and B, we have S4 and for R1, this one for the S5. Okay. So after designing this LR0 parts in table, we have seen that there is a conflict. There are conflicts. I am mentioning slash star conflicts. There is also conflict. There is also conflict. All these are the possible conflicts in the table. So after watching this conflict, we can say that the grammar is not LR0 grammar. Okay. So now I will check the same canonical collection for SLR1. So in this case of SLR1, instead of placing that reduce move in the whole row, I will put the reduce move only in the follow of production. Okay, this one is the follows of this non-terminals. So instead of placing this reduce move in the complete row, I will place this reduce move only in the follow of production. Okay, so let us check for that. And the other will be remain same. Okay, so let us do that. So for 0 it is okay. For 1 there is a final production E dash right E, but this is the augmented grammar and we will use this for the acceptance. So I will add that acceptance here. This is also for the LR0 and same for the SLR1. So this is okay for 1. And next we have 2. There is final item. So I can reduce this T to E, and T to E. The number of reproduction is 2. Okay. So I will put that reduce move under the follow of E. Okay. So in second case we will put the reduce move under the follow of that, and the follow of that is follow of E is dollar and plus. So I will place that reduce move 2 and 2 here. Okay, and for then we have shift move for A and B will remain same, S4 and S5. Okay, so this is okay for this. Next we have I3. Here is also final production. So F can be reduced to T, as F can be reduced to T, and number to that production is 4. F can be reduced to T. So this reduction operation R4 will be placed under the follow of that. Okay, so reduce move will be placed under the follow of T. So follow of T is dollar follow of T is dollar R4 dollar plus follow of T is plus is here, so R4 and A and B, R4 and A and B. So reduction move will be placed under the follow of this and shift move will be for star for here. So I will add S8. S8 will be added here because of this production. Okay, so this is done for that. Next possible stage we have is S7 because there is final item. So TF can be reduced to T. Number of production is 3, so TF can be reduced to T, and this reduction operation I will placed under the follow of T. Okay. So for the seventh stage, seventh is this one, so TF can be reduced to T, and this reduction operation, which is R3, will be put under the follow of T. The follow of T is dollar plus A and B. Okay, so I will place this reduction operation R3 and R3, A, B plus and dollar, A, B plus and dollar. Okay, so for I7, for the moment of star is S8. Okay, and for the 8th, we will put with the moment of F star, the fifth stage to F, so I will put that under the follow of F, and the follow of F is star plus B and A. This is okay for that. Okay, no conflict up to this point. Next we have is here. So this E plus T can be reduced to T. So number to that production is 1. So I will put the reduced move for the follow of E. The follow of E is dollar. So dollar, then I will put that R1 here, and for the plus R1 here. Okay, and the reduced move will be go to F, A and B. So F is 7, A and B. So I will add here S4 and S5. Okay, so this one is the SLR1 parsing table for the given grammar with the help of canonical collection of LR0 item and the follows of that grammar. So after designing that LR0 SLR1 parsing table, we have seen there is no conflict in the table. So with the help of this table, we will say that the grammar is SLR1 grammar. Okay, but same, the grammar is not LR0 because we have seen that there will be conflict in the stage 2, 3, 7 and 9. 2, 3, 7 and 9. Okay. So this is all about the canonical collection of LR0 items and LR0 parser and SLR1 parser. Okay. Thank you.